All right, so we are going to learn to thread the upper thread. I'm going to give that a trim. Okay, the upper thread first, and then we'll learn the bobbin thread. So the upper thread goes on the spool pin. Okay, and then number one, as you can see, there's like that little, oops, I call it braille, but it shows the number one. Can everybody see that? Okay, so it's going to go here. Then it slides down to 2. And before I go up to 3, I want to make sure my thread take up lever is all the way up. So I got to turn my hand wheel towards me so it goes up. Okay. Before I do any of this, I always want to double check and make sure my machine is off. Okay. Remember, we do not thread our machine with our machine on. Then this goes around the back, and then you want to give it a tug forward. Okay. We want to make sure that it's through the eye. It kind of looks like a P, just like this picture. So we want to make sure it gets through the eye there. Okay. Then we go down to 4. Okay. Then we thread the needle, and it goes from the front to the back. And this is where having our needle or our thread trimmed comes in handy. So it goes from the front to the back, and we pull out into the left. Okay. Now I dropped a bobbin. Does anybody see it? Okay. All right. Now we're going to do the lower thread. And the lower thread, okay, we have to have our bobbin thread here because that creates a chain link, okay, which causes it not to unravel as well. Okay. So we're going to drop the bobbin in. Before I drop the bobbin in, I give this a tug, okay, and it rolls counterclockwise. Okay. So I'm going to drop that in. Okay. Then I'm going to pull it towards my belly button. Okay. There is a little break in the silver half moon here. Okay. I want the thread to go through there, up and to the left. Okay. Then I don't touch that bobbin thread anymore. I'm going to grab my needle thread. I'm going to hang on to it. Then I'm going to give my hand wheel a turn. So this guy goes down and comes all the way back up. So here we go. He goes down. When he goes down, you can see that thread's reaching across to grab that lower thread. Okay, this guy's still not up yet. Once he comes all the way up, I pull my hand, and you can kind of see there's a loop right here. Can everybody see that loop? Okay, so I'm going to pull that loop out. Okay, and then I close my window. There are no threads around this window. Okay, I can lift my presser foot here, and then both of these threads go underneath the presser foot like this. Okay, and that is how you completely thread the machine. Double check. Do I have threads sticking out of here? No. Are both my threads above the needle plate? Yes. Did my thread go through step number 3? Yes. Okay? All right, you can stop recording.